Unlock the secrets to creating hyper-realistic photographic art with Midjourney by mastering the power of real image prompts. Our journey begins with selecting a high-quality reference image, one that captures the essence of the realism you aim to achieve. Think of this as your visual blueprint. The key is to deconstruct what makes this image so real. Is it the specific lighting conditions, the intricate textures, or the depth of field? Identify these crucial elements. Now, we translate these observations into powerful prompts. Start with a descriptive core of your subject, then layer in keywords that directly mimic your reference. Consider specifying the exact time of day for lighting, golden hour for that warm glow, or harsh midday sun for dramatic shadows. Introduce style modifiers that convey photographic quality. Terms like cinematic lighting, shot on film, or anamorphic lens can dramatically enhance realism, emulating the characteristics of professional photography. Don't stop at the first generation. Iterative refinement is crucial. Analyze your initial outputs, pinpointing areas that fall short of your desired realism, and adjust your prompt accordingly. Utilize negative prompts to steer Midjourney away from undesirable traits. If your images appear too smooth or stylized, add keywords like unrealistic, painterly, or artificial. Precision in your negative prompts refines the output. By thoughtfully selecting your reference, deconstructing its visual language, and iteratively refining your prompts with specific keywords and style modifiers, you can harness Midjourney to produce photographic art that rivals reality itself.